You deal with text all day long, whether it's extracting information from PDF court filings or scanned documents. But what if you could grab text from anywhere on your screen instantly and paste it elsewhere to edit? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerToys Text Extractor to do just that. Text Extractor is just one of a suite of utilities in PowerToys, a free application designed to give Microsoft Windows a bunch of superpowers, including extracting text from anywhere on your screen. If you don't already have PowerToys installed, click the card in the upper right-hand corner of the screen now to review my complete installation video. There's also a link in the description below. PowerToys is available free from Microsoft with a couple of clicks, so what do you have to lose? Once you have PowerToys installed, open it, and from the dashboard, make sure you've got Text Extractor enabled by clicking the toggle to the right of Text Extractor. So how would you use Text Extractor? Open any document or image from which you want to extract text. Activate Text Extractor with the keyboard shortcut. The default is Windows Shift T. Now select the area containing the text you want to extract. The Text Extractor will automatically recognize and copy the text to your clipboard. You can paste the extracted text into any application, whether it's Word, Outlook, or anywhere else. It's that simple. A couple of caveats here. Text Extractor isn't always going to preserve the formatting of the text, which in some cases may be a good thing. And as with any optical character recognition or OCR process, the accuracy of what's extracted depends on the clarity of the text image. Always double-check to ensure what you've pasted is accurate, and whenever possible, use a source with high-resolution images and clear fonts. Let's quickly recap. Open your document, activate the Text Extractor with Windows Shift T, select the text area, and paste the extracted text. Easy, right? Let me know in the comments how much retyping Text Extractor is going to save you from now on. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the playlist on the left for more PowerToys productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.